Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I went to tjmaxx to look for a particular purse. It wasn't there. I knew it wasn't going to be there, but I wanted to look anyway. It was a Karl Lagerfeld denim purse that I saw and I left, and I couldn't stop thinking about it, but I don't need it because I got a Coach purse that is almost exactly like it. But it was something about that one that was just prettier, and I wanted it, so I went back to get it. It was gone, but I saw this. So now this was in my stash, and I was thinking that that might go with that. Kind of, sort of, not really, but I'll probably wear it with it anyway. So that is in my stash. I don't think I have the card to go with it or any of that. All right, and then, but I thought that I would share with you what I picked up. I picked up this. This was so pretty. I tried to leave it because this velvet worries me. I only got like one more of this, but it's in a deep blue. And then I had another one that's a light pink, and I decided to sell it. I didn't even take the tags off it because I worried that this is going to get dirty. But anyway, but I like that color so much still. I decided to chance it. So I picked up a couple more bag charms too. And so let's look at the bag charms so we can get these out the way. So this one I thought was really pretty. So I have a couple of green purses. You know, I have that Shamrock Georgia purse. I thought that this would be cute on that. I do have that Bright Jade purse. Bright Jade might have too much going on for this, but I think this would be very pretty against that Shamrock. You can also use it against yellow. I think that would be very pretty. A dragonfly. We get a lot of these around fall because those are when the love bugs, if y'all are familiar with love bugs, I don't know if that's just a southern thing, but we get inundated with love bugs, and the dragonflies come out to eat the love bugs. So anyway, that is what I picked up. All right, and then we have this is sterling silver. These were marked down to $10. I thought that that was a really good price, and so I figured these I might can wear to work. So I got that. And then Betsy Johnson. I really like her products. So that's that one. So let's take a look. And so I thought that this was really cute. So this one was $16.99. It's not marked down yet, but I went ahead and picked it up. They had a lot of bag charms and key rings and stuff like that all marked down. Necklaces, they had a lot of it marked down. But I picked this one up. I don't know if that goes with that. It kinda, I think it could, but I would probably pair it with something that's this color. I think that would make it stand out more. Or there is a purse that's coming up in another video. I haven't unboxed it yet, but it might go with that even better. So I will put this to the side and we'll look at that again. All right, and so let's look at what we got here. Everybody knows that they're going up on the prices at tjmaxx and Marshalls and all this. So, but that's $34.99. I don't remember what they normally charge for these bowlers. I know that it seems to me like the tjmaxx price. tjmaxx and Marshalls are higher than like Ross and Burlington and Bells, those places. So you can get sometimes the same purse at tjmaxx for like $5 cheaper if you bought it at Ross, but sometimes they have the same purse. But anyway, enough about that. This is what she looks like. Really cute. We got the brand in there with the little hearts. And then this might be one of the only two bowlers that I picked up. Now the dark blue purse that I was talking about that I'm keeping, it's not a bowler. It's like a it's made more like a Rowan. But the one that I'm gonna try to sell, new with tag and all that, which I haven't posted it yet or anything, but it's going to be. It is made in this style. But I think this is the only bowler that I ever kept. So I'm not like crazy about this style, but I just thought that this was so pretty. So that's that, guys. I like the gold on here. I think gold was the best metal choice. I think this is so pretty. But anyway, so that is what I had to share today, guys. And like I said, this is a previous haul, but I think I'm gonna wear it with it. I don't know. Okay, so I will talk to you guys later. Bye.